Inspired. Fight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Myla B here, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. Ooh, excuse me. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys also turn on your notification bell so you get all of my notifications when I upload. Without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this video. So yeah. Okay, let me put some on my lips because I don't be licking my lips and y'all will be coming for me. Tell e.l.f. is coming for the girls, okay? I'm really curious to see how this concealer is going to work. I wanted to review these concealers because they're, for one, affordable. For two, I want to see what they're really working with. e.l.f. came out with a 16-hour Camo Concealer. This is a full coverage matte concealer. It's camouflage those pesky spots and under 16-hour concealer. I don't know, these claims might shut me up, so we'll see, but I personally haven't came across a concealer that has not creased on me. So I ended up getting 3 shades. I got medium beige, which is this shade right here, and then I got deep cinnamon, which is this shade right here, and rich ebony. So I'm gonna do a light swatch for you guys so you can see the difference in the concealers. I think I'm gonna use one as a highlight shade, one to correct, and then one to contour kind of. So I'm gonna swatch them for you guys on my arm here. I'm gonna open it like this. This is kind of like ghetto weird, but that's so this is what medium beige looks like on me. And then the next shade is deep cinnamon. There. And then the last shade that I got was rich ebony. I'm gonna swatch that. For one drugstore brand that's dropping concealers this deep, that's a win. So this one I would clearly use to highlight under my eyes. This one I would use maybe to correct, and then this one to contour. Obviously, I have never tried or did a review on a product that kind of recently launched, so this is my first like review on a product that has launched recently. I used my Juvia's Place I Am Magic, I think that's what it's called, I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation, and I used that in the shade Nairobi. So I'm probably gonna go in and do a bit of correcting now. So this is where we're gonna test out the concealer. So I want to start with deep cinnamon, which is this shade right here. Use that to correct a bit. So I'm gonna take this and correct under the eyes. I'm really loving the shade so far. As a corrector, it's a little bit brighter, but it's not too bright and it's not too dark. Literally like almost like my perfect corrector shade. I don't want to sit too long because it looks like it dries quick. So I'm just gonna start blending. Oh my God, pretty. Y'all see that? I know y'all see that. Pretty as heck. It's literally my perfect like corrector shade. Oh my God, y'all, I'm in love already. It blends out so seamless.
She did. What would that kind of money get a customer?
Y'all, do y'all see this? This looks so just flawless by itself, like dead eyes. I would just wear this out by itself. I wouldn't even like highlight anymore. I would just add some contour and call it a day. Add a little bronzer and call it a day. This is literally, wow. I just took it. All right, it is creasing a bit here. It is creasing just a little bit under the eye. But like I said, I have wrinkles, so I'm kind of used to the creasing. So I'm gonna go in and add that contour. So I'm gonna take the Rich Ebony concealer. So I'm gonna take Rich Ebony, and what we're gonna do is basically contour the face. And because this is so deep, I'm going to tread very lightly with this because I don't want to be too snatched. Like, this color is so rich, it's giving me like snatch vibes. I'm gonna take it with a flat brush to really carve it out. I'm going to blend that out. I'm gonna spray this brush a little bit. I'm gonna spray my face too, because I don't know if this is gonna move around that great, but I'm gonna just blend out this contour. And I'm just gonna see how that blends. So I'm just gonna blend this in circular motions, because when you blend it like that, it blends into the foundation a bit and it kind of tones it down, as you can see. So I'm gonna go in with medium beige first. I'm gonna take that and apply that under the eye. But I'm gonna apply it right here, only to the inner part, because I can tell that medium beige is way too light of a highlight shade for me. But because we have deep cinnamon, it's gonna be a little easier to camouflage. That makes sense. Second, I'm gonna spray my face too, just to add some hydration. And as you can see, the coverage is still a very full coverage tease. I'm just gonna go blend this all out. So I like to start at the bottom and then blend upward. Especially when I'm mixing colors, I like to blend the bottom color first, and then I'll mix the lighter color in. I'm gonna take that foundation brush and blend it all around there. Oh my gosh, this is, whoa. Ow! Why y'all coming for the girls like this? And see, I'm like real firm and real big on not spending a ton of money on concealers, because concealers can be expensive. You're already spending $40 on product for foundation. Like, the last thing I want to do is spend $20 on a concealer. Like, sis, I know y'all see this. I'm not even gonna look at this. This looks flawless. So I'm gonna take my Airspun powder. This is a drugstore powder. It's like $6. I love to kind of keep the drugstore flow going. Look at this. And I'm trying to press this in so I don't have to like set too much later. But bro, this is flawless. Literally using the pressing technique, it absorbs the powder but still makes your skin look like skin.
That within itself speaks a lot, speaks volumes, okay?
What I'm gonna do is go finish the rest of my look off camera and I'm gonna be right back. So honestly, I've had this concealer on for about 2 hours, low key, but I really just finished, I want to say I just finished the look, but I just finished doing all the eyes and stuff. As you can see, I was feeling real blazery today, just all in all to say, let's just talk about this concealer, the e.l.f. concealer. Honestly, if I had to rate it out of the drugstore, of all the drugstore brands that I've tried, honestly,
It's my favorite.
it has the most natural finish. It dries down matte. It doesn't dry the skin like most mattifying concealers, which I love the most about this concealer. All in all to say, I think it's a good concealer for $6. Like, sweetie, if you can't go to Bella Nail Chase, where the hell can you go?
Cause we feel like, well, damn, if you can't go to Bella No Chase, what the hell could you go?
I urge you to go buy this $6 concealer. Like, I really think that this is a good drugstore concealer for everyday wear. I look good. This concealer is bomb. I'm probably not gonna use another concealer for a very long time. Low key, like, look at this. All in all to say, e.l.f., this is a great concealer, great product. I love it. Mildly approved, so make sure you go get it. Make sure you guys check out my last video. It'll be somewhere right here or there or wherever. Make sure you guys check out my last video, and that's it. Thank you guys for coming, and yeah.